This is Series 1, Episode 66. Today I'm going to be talking about BLNK Charging Company, ticker symbol BLNK. So who are they? What do they do? Well, let's just go straight over to their website. BLNK Charging design, manufacture, own and operate EV charging stations in the United States. So of course I've chosen this stock because it's a good strong play on the electric vehicle growth story, which is why I'm looking at it. Well, this stock's been cropping up on my watch list many times over the last few weeks as one of the top performing growth stories, top 3% in fact in the United States stock lists. So it keeps cropping up, so I've started to pay attention to it. Now I've looked at the earnings date, I'll just show you that. Earnings is not due out until August the 11th. It says August the 11th to August the 16th. So if I was to get in on the trade before then, it should be good. I'll try to get out of trades before earnings because anything can happen, but just pointing out the earnings date there. Now let me go over to the chart. I'm going to talk about the technical side of this now, and as I always say in all my videos, as a disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor, so if you decide to take action upon any information I provide in this video, that is your decision. You are responsible for your own trading decisions. So, I've started off very simply. I've drawn a high point here and a low point because that's the most recent high for this stock, around $65, and the most recent low point. So that just makes it very obvious, so that when I zoom in on this chart you understand what those two lines represent. So now I'm going to delve deeper, go into the most recent price action and explain what I'm seeing. Those of you who regularly watch my videos will know I often talk about this pattern. It's called a cup with handle pattern. Now I've never done a video on cup with handles, so if you guys watching this video want me to do a video on cup with handles, I will do, so just comment below and I'll do that for you. But if you don't know what they are, just do a bit of Google search and you'll see what a cup with handle is. But they're extremely powerful patterns, and I see a very nice pattern here. Cup is the cup base and there's the handle. Now for a breakout you want to see price break the high of the handle. So there's the handle and there's the high represented by the dotted line. Now we did break that high, I'll show you. So let me just zoom in there and I'll show you what I mean. Now although these cup with handles are very powerful patterns, you can't just trade them willy-nilly. You have to be very selective with your stocks. You need top performing stocks, good fundamentals, etc, etc. Well, this one, what you want to see ideally is high volume as it tries to break out. So you've got this dotted line and this bar here, just there, that is where price tried to break out. So it tried to break the high and tried to go up. Now it did it on volume, high volume, there. A big spike in volume as price tried to break out. So that means institutional owners are trying to take that higher. Very clear. Okay, now let me clean this up a little bit. So I've removed everything off the chart because I want to draw in something else now. The same point, we have what I see as a flag formation. So here's your flag. And here's your flag pole. So as price is coming up, we see that as a pole, flag pole, prices come up, and here's your flag formation. Now these are also extremely powerful technical patterns. Now you can see, and I've talked about these sort of things many times in many of my videos. You can see that as we break out of the flag, there, look at the price, it's taking out these highs. Let me just get rid of that one. It's very obviously trying to break out because of that volume, as I said before. So we have a cup with handle, which I already showed you, and a flag formation, and price is trying to break out on volume. Now let me clear the charts again. So I have a nice clean chart now, and I'll draw in another obvious thing. If I put that there and show you why I've done that, because it's very clear that price was testing that area there, 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 came up, tried to break out, as I've already said, and it's come back down to this level. Okay, a very strong level. We know that's a strong level because it's been respected in the past. Now, another very key thing to note here, I'm getting really technical now, but I think it's very helpful for you to understand why this is such a good trade. As price is moving down, and it's hit this level, this volume down here, look at the volume, look at these two bars, they're very small. So what does that mean? That means as price is declining here, there is no institutional owner or owners, there is no actual selling by them. If this is big red bars, then that means the institutions are also selling the stock, but they're not. So this is, to me, potentially another opportunity to get in on this trade because of this volume. So I'll delve even deeper now. Let me draw in a line, a trend line. So as price is declining, like this, say about there, because you can see these touch points, 1, 2, and almost there. Now as price is declining, we can draw that, you can draw that on your own chart. And now you need to watch this level. It's a critical level for this stock. This where this line is around $38. 38, roughly. Keep your eye on it because this could be an area to get in. I don't know yet, but what I'd like to see, because what might happen is price may stop there, tap against this trend line there, come down a bit more. Eventually, price should poke its head through that line, that trend line. So you'll have a candle like that, and it's broken the trend line. That to me would be the buy point. You could take a trade. I don't exactly know how this is going to pan out because I don't have a crystal ball, but you could take a trade there, and then your stop loss could, just to minimize, absolutely minimize your risk, is your stop loss could be quite close. So because we know this is a very strong area of support, your stop loss could be down here, but we have to wait and see. We need to see a break of this trend line and then take the trade, and then it's up to you, to be honest, where you want to put your stop loss. I'm just giving you an idea of where to put it. So there it is. Blink charging could be about to move. If you like what I'm doing, please like and subscribe. Of course, I wish you the best of luck. Please comment on the video as well. I always appreciate comments, and I'll come back to you, and I'll do another video as soon as I see anything else. Wish you the best of luck, guys.